Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome back. This is Daily Trader Analysis with a quick market update for today, November 28th, Wednesday. Today, we got a lot of economic data and news, and one surprise that put a big fat red candle on the Nasdaq, and since then, we are not able to even move. So if you want to see why the market just dropped 50 points in 10 seconds, just tune in. But first, we're going to review the home price index. Home prices continue spiking higher. Month over month, 0.6 higher than the 0.4 expected. Year over year, 6.1. I mean, that coupled with the fact that mortgages, 30-year mortgages continue higher, this is a really bad state of the sector. Houses continue higher, mortgages continue higher, that is destroying demand. In terms of consumer confidence, a little bit higher than expected, but manufacturing continue moving lower, -5, -8, and services 1, basically flat. Also, Dallas Fed services in the negative, services revenues in the negative, and a lot of Fed talks today. Bowman, Barr, Goldsby, Waller, and basically what they did, it's Fed's Waller said that there's good economic arguments that if inflation continues falling for several more months, you could lower policy rate. Fed's Waller, it's already talking about interest rate cuts. If inflation consistently declines, there's no reason to insist that rates will remain high. Oh boy, that spiked the market, but then at 1 p.m., 7-year note action 4.4% instead of the 4.9% of the previous one. Really lower interest rate. And we are going to see that in the charts. But first, also, let's talk about Amazon. Amazon announces new AI chip as it grows NVIDIA relationship. And also, from Amazon, announces Q, the AI chatbot for businesses. So you would think that Amazon would spike a lot on this news, but this market continues to be super choppy. This is the 30-minute chart. This was yesterday's swipe of liquidity that put a lot of pressure to the downside into the close. And during this pre-market today, we got this liquidity swipe into lower, putting another low, another liquidity swipe, putting higher, and then the open. If we put that into context, look at this. One liquidity, two liquidities, and the final one into the move. So I took this is the 5-minute chart. I took this 5-minute chart entry stop for a move into this. I got the move, but look at this choppy price action. I got the spike on Fed's Water saying that maybe interest rate cuts if inflation progresses. I got that move. I was watching that pre-market high and also buy side liquidity. Look at this spike. And then we took this. Once we took this, oh boy, I was super hesitant on continue taking longs. I wait for price action to see if we could reject these kind of fair value gaps that were in here. Once we did, I waited for this and I took, this is market structure change after rejection of inverse fair value gap. And then I took this with a stop here towards this liquidity in here. So another scalp. And then look at this. Let me just put a nice vertical line at 1 p.m. This is the 7-year auction time. Since then, we started dropping, staircase dropping, and then here, everything turned red. we put this massive candle that's 50 points candle, and since then we are not able to really progress. The only thing that I find it interesting, let's remove this liquidity that it's already taken to clear the chart a bit. We have these two. So basically, look at this fair value gap on the 1 hour. I think there's a lot of demand down here. Even though we put a massive move and then retrace it almost 100%, look at the price action. Price action is it's continue trying to go higher despite the fact that the auction went really bad. I still think we might go higher towards these two fair value gaps, bearish fair value gaps. I don't think we are going to see high of day again, 16,071. On the 30-minute chart, we still have tons of liquidity up here and also 16,173. I think that's far above our heads for today. But just I would like to point out that this 1 hour demand, it's quite strong. The same as we got the 1 hour demand in here. Look at this, and also the 4 hour demand. So we are super choppy in this range, but they are still holding these huge imbalances. So stay tuned, because I think towards the end of the week, this is going to resolve, in my opinion, quite a surprise to the upside. So be patient, because I think there will be plenty of opportunities once these shorts are shaking out. And if not, basically we will be seeing a low of day breakdown, and just that's enough for you to really know what is happening. But right now we continue seeing demand. So stay tuned, because Tesla is quite strong, Google is quite strong, Microsoft, Apple, I mean, dollar is deeply in the red. So be patient. I think the rest of the week is going to surprise quite a lot of people. And I think that's all from my side. As always, thank you for your time. If you found this video useful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, because I upload videos like this one every single day for market forecast, market updates, and market recaps. I appreciate your time as always. Remember that discipline and risk management are key for success. Stay safe, everyone, and see you tomorrow.